Hi there, this is Jenny Walker from DigiGoods and Printables, ELA. Welcome to Argumentative Essay Writing, Segment 8, Putting Your Introductory Paragraph Together. If you found this video on YouTube, you can find a link to the workshop in the description. Okay, so this is going to be a very short and easy video because you've already done all of the hard work. Now all you have to do is gather the pieces that you've already written and put them together in one paragraph. And then of course you'll need to revise and edit to make sure that your work is stellar. Okay, let's get started. First of all, unless otherwise directed by your teacher, this slide is optional. If your teacher has removed this slide from your workshop, you won't see it at all, in which case you can just ignore this part. This slide was designed to help you put the pieces of your workshop together if you need a little extra help structuring it. This just helps you break down each piece that goes into your introductory paragraph. And a side note, if you're not, if you're not putting your counter argument in the introductory paragraph, then you can skip this box altogether. Okay, so to find the pieces of your work that belong in these boxes, you just have to scroll back up to the top and look for the gold stars. You can paste your pieces into these boxes as you work your way down. Pause this video to complete this activity. Okay, it's time to put everything together in paragraph form on this notebook. Now, unless you've already done this, you're going to scroll back up and collect the pieces of work that you've created. Again, if you've already done that on the previous slide, you can just bring those pieces down into this box. And once again, this should be easy because they have gold stars. You're going to get your hook and you're going to get your background information. You'll need to gather your counterclaim and rebuttal and bring it into this paragraph, unless of course you're not putting it in this paragraph. And lastly, you will need to collect your thesis statement and place it here as well. You may find that you need to adjust your font to make your writing fit more comfortably. Or you can also duplicate this slide to make another page for yourself. Once you've pasted all the pieces into your notebook, read it out loud. How does it sound? What do you need to do to polish it up? Do you need to rearrange words or sentences? Do you need to take words out or add some words to make it make sense? Do you need to add transitions or transitional phrases to connect your ideas and make your writing flow? At this point, if you see any major grammar errors, you could fix them now, but don't get too picky with this part because we're going to edit it later. The point of this workshop or of this segment is to get all of your ideas down on paper. Well, that is it for this segment. Join me in the next video where we will begin to build your body paragraph, starting with a topic sentence. If you have found this video on YouTube, you can find the link to the workshop in the descriptions. Also, teachers, join me and other educators on Facebook to discuss teaching and grading writing. You can find a link to our Facebook group in the description as well. And as always, happy teaching and happy learning.